Need some help having difficult conversations in your relationship? I'm Dr. Elena Sherwood, your relationship expert, and today I'm going to give you 5 tips, including what to say and how to say it. Let's get started. Number 1, be respectful. Nobody likes an ambush, so give them a little bit of leeway, but not too much. Use statements like, when you're done there, can we talk? Or before this happens, can I have a few minutes? I see that you're in the middle of something. Can you get me in 20? And I really need to talk tonight. Tell me when's good. Number 2, be clear. Try not to beat around the bush because your partner can just get more anxious, as will you, the longer you draw it out. Here are some opening words you can use. Right now, I don't need advice, but I sure need your listening ear. We have to deal with this before it gets out of hand. This isn't your favorite topic, I know, but save this and share with anybody who could use it. The next tip here is to be truthful. This may require you to be vulnerable, and if that's what you want back from your partner, then you have to do it first. This means speaking from a place of honesty from your heart. Here's some opening things. I'm sad, angry, frustrated, whatever it is you're feeling. I'm hurting. I feel hopeless, powerless, lost, whatever it is. Make sure your words are coming from that deep place. The next tip I have for you is to be open. Once you've said what you really needed to say, you can follow up with any of these statements. How are you after hearing this? What are your thoughts on it? Do you have any questions? I'm open to hearing your side now. So what do you think we should do, or where do we go from here? Step number 5 is be reasonable. Allow yourself to consider what you can't forgive and then let the rest go. Ask yourself, where are my hard lines? Does my partner know what those are? Do I know what those are? Very important is to make sure you take in everything your partner says, because they have a lot of insights on you that you're likely not able to see. So set the stage, be clear, be truthful, be open, be reasonable. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you find this helpful. I'll see you in the next video.